So today we will be starting class 10th unit 5, which is trigonometry. We will be starting with trigonometry. So from the word tri means three sides, gon means sides, and metry is the measure. So trigonometry is the measure of an object having three sides. And as we know, the object having three sides, the most common object is the triangle. So trigonometry is basically the measure of a triangle. So here the triangle that we take is the right angle triangle. So one angle is equal to 90 degree. If the triangle is ABC, then one of the angle must be equal to 90 degrees. So this side AC, which is opposite to the angle which is 90 degree, is known as the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse of a triangle is always fixed. You cannot change it. It is the side which is opposite to the angle which is the right angle. Now, if we take this angle as theta, then we have to understand which is the base and which is the perpendicular with respect to this angle that we have taken, the theta angle. So now to find the base, you have to find the side which connects this angle theta to the right angle. So here we see that the side BC is connecting this angle theta to the right angle. So this is the base. Also, you can remember it this way: the side which is opposite to the angle that we are considering is known as the opposite side, or we say it is the perpendicular. So this is how you understand which is the perpendicular, which is the base, and which is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always fixed, and with respect to an angle that you have taken, theta, you can find out the base and the perpendicular. So now if we further analyze this, the right angle triangle, let's name it A, B, C. When you are measuring a right angle triangle, there are specific values of theta for which you can measure the sine of the angle, the cos of the angle, or the tan of the angle. So what are these? So let's say this is the theta. So first we'll learn about sine of angle theta, or which is written as sine theta. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is the perpendicular by the hypotenuse. So for this triangle ABC, our hypotenuse is AC, our base is BC, and our perpendicular is AB. So our sine of the angle theta in this case will be AB by BC. Sorry, perpendicular by hypotenuse, AB by BC. Okay. So this is sine of angle theta or sine theta. Now we go to cosine of angle theta or cos theta. So this is the base by the hypotenuse. So in this case, our base is BC or CB and our hypotenuse is AC. So the cosine of angle theta or cos theta is BC by AC, which is the base by hypotenuse. Now, the third thing that we are going to learn is the tangent of angle theta or tan theta. So the tan theta is the perpendicular by base. In this case, it is perpendicular AB by base BC. So these are the main three things that we learn with respect to the angle theta, which is the sine theta, the cos theta, and the tan theta. Now there are some more measurements which we take and which are in your syllabus. So those are, I'll rub this off. So what we've learned about sine, we've learned about cos, we learned about a tangent or tan. We have this triangle ABC, we take this theta, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, this is the base. So the first important step when you get a right angle triangle and a given angle is always seeing which one is the base, which one is the perpendicular with respect to the theta that is given in the question. The hypotenuse is always fixed. Now we learn about secant of angle theta, which is also known as sec theta. So the sec theta is equal to the hypotenuse by, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta is the inverse of cos theta, and since cos theta is the perpendicular upon the base upon hypotenuse, so the sec theta becomes hypotenuse upon base. This is base upon hypotenuse cos theta, so the sec theta becomes hypotenuse upon base, and in this case it is AC by BC. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Next is cosecant of angle theta, which is cosec theta, which is 1 upon sine theta, and since sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so this is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is equal to, in this case, AC by AB. And the last, which is the cotangent of angle theta or cot theta. This is 1 upon tan theta, and since tan theta is the perpendicular upon base, so this becomes base upon perpendicular, which in this case is BC by AB. So these 6 relations are what is in your syllabus, and these are the important relations that you have to know for solving sums in trigonometry. So now we'll go to the next part, which is the relationship between these angles and also the square relations.